Hi guys, back out to the barn today. Gonna work on this caddy a little bit. Yesterday, I was able to get on Marketface and find this trunk lid. Virtually perfect. There's one little ding in it somewhere, but there is no rust. Front, back, inside, outside. It's just clean. It's like new. I wish I had a whole car that was in the shape of this trunk lid. It'd be like new. It's perfect. And I also got this over here. I got this front fender. So what do I do with this? This is a passenger side. It's from a 69, so the lens is different, but that's okay. I've got decent enough lenses. Pretty good sized dent here. I can get it all from the back side. I'd fix it before I put it on. I'd fix this rust here, but it's solid. It's a whole good fender. This trim is a little bit mangled up, but now I'm torn. Do I take this fender off, or do I finish patching it and making it work? I don't know, guys. Let me know if you think I had to change a fender. Pound it out, put it on. It's a better fender. It's actually probably too good for this car. I know the trunk lid is, because this car ain't perfect. But we're gonna get her back on the road again so she can ride around and we can have some fun with it. Anyway, so today I'm working on this a little bit. I want to get the bottoms of the doors treated up, get them cleaned up. There's a little bit of surface rust here. It's nothing major. But I got to pull this rubber trim strip off, and it's got all these little guys. So I'm unhooking the rubber, and then I take like end nippers and gently pop these off because I want to reuse them. And then I stick them back in the rubber. I'm going to pull these all down, clean up underneath the door, and get it ready for painting the exterior color because I'm going to do the jams. I'm doing a color change. Of course, I could leave it green. It's a nice green. Now I'm waffling on that. Jeez, I just got to make up my mind on stuff. That's what I really got to do. On the passenger side now, because I was kind of hoping it looked better up and under there, but it really doesn't. It is kind of rusty, you know. It's not rusted through, but it's got some scabby rust. So I got to clean all that up. And gonna pull back the door panel, which has got hidden screws under the carpet. I can just barely see them. And I'll pull that back a little bit so I can tape it off. I'll bag it and tape it. So got a push pin here. Got one of those plastic Christmas tree push pins there. See how I can get that one out. I don't think that's gonna work. Oh. All I did was rip it around the edge, so not great. I'm gonna take some side dikes and see if I can take it out. Yeah, pull it right out. I should have done that right off the bat. So now that's a little bit ripped up, but it's in rough shape anyway. I mean, it's not great. And then there's another one up in here. Oh yeah, that worked a little better. Okay, now I've got that and that. Somewhere's up in here, I have to get another one popped out. I might want to loosen this up. It's like it's glued and it's got the little plastic clips. You have to pull these off too. Try to save them if I can. Let's see if this will do that. Ooh, got it. Nope, ripped it. But they gotta come off. I might have to buy new ones. Found a catalog at Carlisle, so. Yeah, I'd save one of them. There's another one down here I gotta get. See if I get lucky with this one. Whoa! But now I got two of them with one button. I'll have to buy new ones. Okay, pull these screws out. With any luck, I can get right on them. No, I can't get on that one. It's got to be there somewhere. Man, I'm all around it. Is that it? Oh yeah. I think they're stainless. These don't seem to be rusted at all. Get my cool little popper tool. This thing works great. I really like this thing. Got to get it right where it's tight. Oh, pop. Pop. Where are you? Yeah, right there. Pop. All right, so I got this pop back. It's away from the metal. Way to loosen it now that I have to loosen up this screw, which I guess I can do. Clip over here. Oh, there's another screw. If this is okay, that's loose enough to where I can tape that off nice. I won't get overspray on it. So I'll work my way back up to this thing here. So I got most of it. I got this part popped, and I'm gonna get this part popped off. Seems like it might be glued. I don't want to rip the stuff either. And what's holding that? Just tucked up and under there. Just peel it back and tape it. But there's even rust way up here on the door, so that's kind of weird. Oh, there we go. Something popped loose. I think it's just glued there. So if it's glued there the first time, I'm gonna glue it back the second time. It's tearing. It's really flimsy. It's old foam and it's just not very strong anymore. I think what I'm gonna do is cut it off because I can glue it right back on. That's what I'm gonna do. Razor. Yeah, worst came to worst, I'd have to buy new ones anyway, so. What you gonna do, you know? Oh, there's a wire. That's right, it's got that wire in there. Wire goes all the way through it. I gotta fix that. It may not look good when I glue it back together. I'm gonna have to get new ones. That means I gotta take the whole door panel off. I don't want to take the whole door panel off. These guys just slip off. That leaves a screw there. Now, is that loose enough so I can move things around a little bit? No. It's really not. Yeah, I probably really shouldn't have done it that way. I think I goofed it up. Because now I got this all caught. I'm going to wind up taking the thing apart anyway. You know, that's what happens when you try to take the easy way out. You wind up getting tougher in the long run. Well, it says I'm going to wind up buying new ones anyway. I might as well just clip that wire, I guess. I clipped the wire. Well, you know what? I probably can put this back and glue it in. I don't know. We'll see. We'll see. It might work. It might not. That's just the way this stuff goes. You never know. Well, there you have it. Got the whole panel off now. Looks like a mouse got to this. I have no idea how they got inside there, but that's what it looks like. A little mildewy. So, yeah, there's a pin here and a pin here that I didn't get because I just snipped those wires, which I guess I shouldn't have. But I'll probably wind up getting new rubber anyway, so, because up on this end, there's a screw there that's not even recognizable, and there's one there. So I have to clean out those holes. Maybe I can get onto that screw from the backside and that one from the backside and get them to turn. Anyway, I'm going to wind up taking all the door panels off. I think it's just going to be easier, because look, I got rust coming all the way up. A little bit of rust here. Might as well clean that all up and get rid of it. Get rid of this mousy crap. Get rid of this rust here. Ew. Maybe I'll put sound deadening in it too. That'd be nice. The old caddy. It's not in horrible shape, but it's not going to be a lot of work. It's just a matter of wiring it off, cleaning it up, make sure these are all clean. The insides of the doors are clean. These little rubber strips, there's a slot there. A little weep slot for the water that gets in the door to get out. And that's important. And this is at the lowest spot in the door, so Cadillac did that right by the looks of it. All right, well, looks like I'm just gonna go door to door. Modern cars, you can just unplug stuff, you know, but on this, I had to unhook the whole switch. I'm not even sure how this unplugs. I just unscrewed the whole switch from the trim benzel part, which is also rusty in the bottom of the ashtray. I think it's a hole there. It's rusty on the back side. You can see where it's all blown apart. Took all the chrome off. Maybe I can find these. I don't know, we'll see. Another quest. So I got a couple of choices when it comes to taking this bolt out. It's not really a bolt, it's really just a screw. And I got this clamped on there as tight as I can get it. You can't hardly see that there's any Phillips head left, so I know that's not gonna work. I can't even get the Phillips head in there. So let's try a little heat. That usually works. I gotta be careful I don't burn stuff up though. I don't think I can do that on the other one. I might have to drill it out, you know. Works every time, look at that. Loosen it right up. Only took a little bit of heat too, so it's not really too big a deal. Oh man, I got this clamped down there tight. Didn't even have to clamp it that tight with a little bit of heat. There we go. So a little heat sure does go a long way. Well, I guess I'll try heat again. I don't know what other alternatives to use. little bit of that rubbery glue stuff. It did it again, it worked. Almost, not quite. Nope. Not enough Phillips left there to do what Phillips does. Well, fellas, this is tedious. I'm gonna spare you it, and I'm gonna get that screw out. Some days I just feel like I don't get a lot done, and today's one of those days. Man, I'm monkeying around all day, fudging around, not taking off the door panels, and you know what happened? I wound up taking off the door panels. I should just resign myself to that right off the bat. So the door panels are off. I put the windows up almost all the way. I'll be able to tape everything off. I'll be able to paint everything up. So it's not even taking me that long. If I'd have just done it right from the start, it would have been so much quicker. But taking off this door panel, look what I find. Oh my gosh, another mouse nest. Mice, mice, mice everywhere. Oh, look at it, and it's in there, it's terrible. But you know what that means? I just don't want to deal with it. Look at it, we got rust here. Anyway, I don't want to deal with it the rest of the day. So, like, share, subscribe, all that fun stuff. We'll see you guys on the next one.